I want to put a bit of a different spin on yesterday's shooting and why these officers who were involved in the shooting yesterday deserve a higher praise than we're giving them. Based on the totality of how law enforcement is now, the condemnation for police officers, these men, without thinking, ran towards the danger. We know that that's what we want our officers to do. But in a day and age where cops do the right thing and they're condemned, they still fucking did the right thing. They didn't wake up that morning and think they were going to have to take a life. And taking a life, I can imagine, is not an easy decision that they have to make. And thank God they fall back on their training and don't think about doing it when they do it. Not to mention the fact that now these cops are going to have to go through possibly second guessing, replaying the scenario in their mind over and over and over again, what their bodies are going to go through when the stress of that adrenaline dump winds up wearing off. Then how the public is going to wind up criticizing them. Are other agencies going to look at them? Are they going to wind up reviewing this over and over and over again, reliving it, seeing the dead kids on scene, seeing the dead humans on, the adults on scene, all of this, and then living with the possible condemnation of the LGBTQ community for asking, why didn't you just try to talk that person into surrendering? And I can guarantee you, there might be one sick, twisted, sadistic fucking command staff member who, regardless of how righteous the shooting was, might be thinking, how can we cover our ass and string these people up because we don't want the LGBTQ community coming after us? These men who showed up on scene yesterday and did their job deserve a far greater, higher praise than we're giving. And God, my God, we need to give it to them.